Hello students, welcome back to a new session of our maths junk seller. Last video I had explained how Kiran became a business woman and she sold some of the junk products for a profit and how much she was earning from each item. All we had seen. Today we will do some solution. So all of them open your page number 67. Here the heading is given. First guess the answer and calculate. So guessing means approximate value we can say. So you can see the numbers are given 2 digit multiplied by 2 digit and some numbers 1 digit multiplied by 3 digit. So we will do one by one and you can guess while doing how much it will get it. So first number 37 multiplied by 18. So you had studied already in third standard and previous video I had shown also direct multiplication is not doing. We will divide or we will split into 37 we can divide or we can split into 30 plus 7 and 18 we can split it into 10 and 8. Why we are doing this way? So it will be easy for the students to do the multiplication. Even mental calculation also you can do. So approximate value without calculating itself you can say. So one by one I am going to explain. Already on the screen it is given. So students first listen the video, then take your maths notebook. Heading write this page number 67. Heading first guess the answer and calculate. One by one you have to do in your notebook. So first listen now. So 37 multiplied by 18, we will write 30 and 7. So you can see on the screen I had written 30 and 7. So first we will multiply with 10. 18 we will write 10 and 8. So first part, first line you can see with 10 we will multiply. Second part we will multiply with 8, both the numbers. So 30 multiplied by 10, answer will get, there only you write 300 and same number we will multiply with 7. So 7 multiplied by 10 equal to 70. Same way second part with 8 we will multiply both 30 and 7. So first part 30 multiplied by 8 equal to 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24. So 240. 7 multiplied by 8 equal to 56. In my previous video I told 2 to 10 table if you are thorough there will be no difficulty for doing multiplication and it is very easy to do and it is interesting also. Now what we will do? We will take the numbers 300 plus 240 plus 70 plus 56. I hope everybody knowing addition. Even though you are knowing, but you have to show the method. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16. Carry over 1 on the top of 3. I have shown everything. Please see. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer of 37 multiplied by 18 equal to 666. So you can say approximate value, it will be between 600 and 700. So correct answer is 666. Now second number 45 multiplied by 24. Here 45 we will write as 40 and 5. 24 we can write 20 and 4. So first part will be with 20 we will multiply 40 as well as 5. So 40 multiplied by 20, 2 0 write on the units place and tens place and multiply with the 4 2s are 8. Same way 5 multiplied by 20, 0 write on the right side and 5 2s are 10. So we will get 100. Now with the 4 we will multiply both the part. 40 multiplied by 4 equal to 0, 4s are 0 and 4 4s are 16. So 160. Like that 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 20. Now addition 800 plus 160 plus 100 plus 20. Answer is 1080. So students, all these steps properly you have to do in your notebook, then only you can learn afterwards also. Don't copy direct answer. Do the step properly. 69 multiplied by 52. 69 we will write as 60 and 9. 52 we can write as 50 and 2. Why we are taking zeros? Because zero multiplication answer also zero. So how many zeros are in the both multiplication and multiplier? So we can write that zero on the right side. With a non-zero number we can multiply. That is the easy method. So here 60 and 50, total how many zeros are there? 2 0. So 2 0 we will write on the right side. Then we will multiply 6 5s are 30. So total number will be 3000. Same way 9 multiplied by 50. 50 is 1 0 right on the right side. 9 5s are 45. Now next part 60 multiplied by 2. 0 right on the right side. 6 2s are 12. So number is 120. 9 2s are 18. So addition 3000 plus 120 plus 450 plus 18 equal to 3588. So approximate value when we will say, it will be more than 3500 and less than 3600. We can say approximate value. Next one, 77 multiplied by 55. Here we will take 77 as 70 and 7. 55 we can take it as 50 and 5. So first part 70 multiplied by 50, 20 right on the right side. 7 5s are 35. Same way 7 multiplied by 50, write 0 on the right side. 7 5s are 35. So 350. Next part 70 multiplied by 5, again 350, and 7 5s are 35. So addition 3500. Students, you have to arrange the numbers according to the place value. Some are 1000, some are 100, some are tens, sometimes ones also. So please arrange the number. Look at on the screen how the teacher has done. Same way you have to do, otherwise addition answer will be wrong, will get. So the answer is getting 4235. So approximate value we can say it will be between 4000 and 4500, or 4000 and 4200, between 4200 and 4300. That is approximate value. Correct answer is 4235. Now 142 multiplied by 5. Up to this you had studied 2 digit multiplied by 2 digit. Multiplication multiplier is also 2 digit. Multiplicand also 2 digit. Here you see one 3 digit number, that is multiplicand is 3 digit and with 1 digit multiplier. Method is same. Here what we will do, multiplicand we will divide into 3 groups, that is 100 plus 40 plus 2, that is 100, 40 and 2, 3 column we will write, multiplied by 5. So first will be 100 multiplied by 5, 500. 40 multiplied by 5 equal to 200. 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. So arrange in the order, 500 plus 200 plus 10 equal to 710. Next one, 382 multiplied by 3. Here also multiplicand is 3 digit and multiplier is 1 digit. So 382 we can write in the column of hundreds column 300, tens column 80 and ones column 2. So 300 plus 80 plus 2, that is 382 multiplied by 3. So with the 3, all the 3 section we will multiply. 300 multiplied by 3 equal to 20 right on the right side, 3 3s are 9. 80 multiplied by 3, 10 right on the right side, 8 3s are 24. Same way 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. So total 900 plus 240 plus 6 equal to 1146. Students, try to understand the method. If you didn't follow, once again check the question how the teacher had done on the screen. Just listen the video so you will get a more clear idea how to do this. Now the next question, slight variation but method is same. Instead of multiplicand 3 digit, here 1 digit given and multiplier 3 digit. But there will be the rule, two numbers when we will multiply, If they will interchange the order, the answer is same. Get 2 multiplied by 175 or 175 multiplied by 2, answer is one and the same. So there will be no problem. So we can take greater number on the top. 175 we can divide or we can split it into 100 plus 70 plus 5 multiplied by a small digit, that is 2. So 100 twos are 200, 70 twos are 140, 5 twos are 10. So 200 plus 140 plus 10 equal to 350. So approximate value, when we will say, it will be more than 300 and it will be less than 500. Now last question from this part, 4 multiplied by 206. So here 206 we can write it in 3 column, 200 plus 0 tens plus 6, then only 206 we will get. So that be careful, it tens place 0 we have to write. So multiplied by 4, 200 multiplied by 4, 20 right on the right side, 4 twos are 8. Now the next part, any number multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 4. So 0 multiplied by 4 equal to 0. The next part, 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 24. So when we will addition, 800 plus 0 plus 24. If 0 not writing also, answer will be the same. So answer is 824. So approximate value we can say it is more than 800, less than 1000. So this way you can do the multiplication very easily by one of the number, that is either multiplicand or multiplier, we can take it into the group system and you can multiply. If the multiplier is 2 digits, so that also we can take the tens table. That way we can do it. I hope students you had followed today's class. Remaining part we will continue in the next video. So today, after listening the video, take your notebook with the help of your parents. You copy it in your classwork notebook. Till then, goodbye.